you ready for an adventure? Well, we're gonna go geocaching in the desert on a side-by-side quad. 4 meters. 5 meters. Having a hard time zeroing in on this one. 21 meters back behind us. We're going to swing around. Oh, and I think Brody's found it. Yep. Hook shot. Just nilly-willy going around the desert collecting geocaches. We were working on the Yuma Block Party 25 Geoart. So we just started doing the G, and we got a message from a friend who got stuck in the sand, and we have his location off to the left side. So we're gonna go through the letter A to get to him. Hey, are you stuck? How you doing?
Oh, I've been better, you know.
It's funny when you get stuck.
Gee, can we return the favor?
Sure.
Where'd you leave the trailer? We parked on the highway then. Oh.
There we go. It's wound up, I think.
So I think if you back down my track, I'll go out the same way.
Yeah.
I just take a punch and then I'll go back farther, right?
Yeah, hold on.
It's hard to see the ground if it's coming on.
No, it doesn't look like
Behind where you turned off there? Yeah. Okay, you're going to spot them out here.
Back up!
It looks like I'm going to be able to get back.
Yeah. Yeah, you should be okay. Helping friends out. And it's funny because just the other day, I was stuck and he helped us get unstuck. So we're right here, and then we're going to go get the tip of the S there, and then maybe we'll skip across, or what do you think?
Oh, I think we'll just turn around and we'll just
turn around and go back down the main road?
Yeah, we'll just zip right by that one and this thing.
The solved coordinates actually spelt out swag instead of BP25, but once you're completed, it turns back into BP25. Yeah, okay, we'll go around this way. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
You Want to do this on foot next year?
No.
And we got a great driver here, Mr. Read My Lips.
Oh,
Yeah.
I feel like Steve McQueen.
All right, let's get the rest of the S. Steve McQueen.
Sounds good.
All right, we want to thank the guys here at Jet Rentals for providing us the 4x4 and all kinds of the jet noise is nuts here. All right, we want to thank the, if you can hear us over the jet noise, it's all the time. The guys here at Jet Rental for putting us into this awesome machine we had today. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. It was very nice meeting you guys, and glad you were able to get out there and have some.
Hey, you want to tell the people about your rental business and what you can provide?
No, we've been doing this for 35 years. We have jet skis, we have ATVs, Honda 250s, 450s, side-by-sides. We have trailers, helmets, goggles. We take you anywhere you want to go. Picacho, Fortuna Bowl, sand dunes. We're here for you. You know, we're always here, so just come see us and we'll take care of you.
All right, thank you very much. We had an awesome time, and thanks to you for putting us
It
in.
was very nice meeting you guys.
Yeah, we had a blast. We'll recommend you.
Okay, thank you. And hey, anytime.
Yeah, that was fun. It was great.
Yeah.
And the machine was
And-
good and reliable.
Don't forget, they provided the trailer and hooked it up to the van.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, we do everything for
Yes.
you. We don't let our customers work.
Yeah, no, you set us up really well.
Yeah, we make sure you don't get your hands dirty.
Yeah. Just had to stand there and watch.
Yeah.
Head north towards South Kyla Avenue.
Here we go.